We went catching, not fishing. Here we go. It's 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
oh, that's a big one.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
That's a big one.
17, 18, 19, 20,
Oh, that one's big.
21. Just laying on top of each other.
Yep. Let's see how many we got.
22. 23. 24.
He's frozen. He must have been close to the ice.
Yep. 25.
Oh,
26.
that's a nice one.
27. 28.
28. That's awesome. You did good, baby. So I let about 10 go off the hook. One took hook, line, and all, so it was pretty big, and he let about 8 off the hook. So we did good today. Before you come at me, before you call the gang warden, this is in our private pond that is overstocked. So we are trying to pull out as many as we can, doesn't matter what size, because our pond is overstocked. But we haven't fished for dinner tonight, y'all.